Painting is like taking a train and going to somewhere you don't know. Everything is unexpected with watercolor. It is a unique and fascinating medium that has been used by artists for centuries. Unlike other media, watercolor is known for its unpredictability and the way it interacts with water and paper and pigment. Like meeting people on your commuting journey. Watercolor painting can be also challenging, but it can also be rewarding and satisfying, especially when you learn how to control the medium and create beautiful effects. One of the advantages of watercolor is its portability. You can carry a small box of painting, a water container, and a brush wherever you go and create art on the spot. Watercolor can be used in different ways, from transparent washes to opaque layers, from loose and expressive brush strokes to detailed and precise lines. Choosing a color palette is an important step in watercolor painting. Depending on your subject, mood, and style, you can select a range of colors that suit your needs. In this windy day, I will explore a vibrant one with bright and bold hues. This vibrant palette has its own characteristics and possibilities. By experimenting with different colors, you can discover new combinations, contrast and harmonies. I always love to push my sketching boundaries. Once I'm set up, I have a look to the scene and I choose a focal point. Then I start with a rough draft. I love combining watercolor with pencil. This technique allows you to add details, textures and highlights to your painting and create a more complex and dynamic image. By using the pencil over watercolor, you can achieve a layer and rich effect where the translucent quality of watercolor merges with the opaque quality of the pencil. This drawing demonstrates how watercolor can be integrated with other media and how it can inspire your creativity and imagination. Watercolor is a versatile and challenging medium that can provide endless possibilities for artistic expression. My first approach with watercolor is with big washes, and little by little I add details and I work with pencil too. This palette is challenging and we are still meeting each other. Pencil enhances those bright colors and gives textures. I got some interesting grays mixed with reds and blues. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, watercolor can offer you a fascinating and rewarding journey of discovery and creation.